Vandeham.
The following is a class on Bhagavad Gita, as it is, Chapter 13, Text number 22, given by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on October 20th, 1973 in Bombay.
Sri Gurum Vaishnava Purusha Prakritisto hi Bhumse Prakritijan Guran Karanam Gunasanga Asya Sadasat Janma Jonishu Purusha, the living entities. Prakritistha, being situated in the material world. He certainly bhungte, enjoys Prakritijan, produced by the material nature. Guna, modes of material nature. Karanam, cause. Guna sanga, association with the modes of material nature. Hasya, of the living entity. Sadasat, good and bad. Joni, species of life. Jarmasu, birth. The living entity in material nature thus follows the ways of life, enjoying the three modes of nature. This is due to his association with that material nature. Thus he meets with good and evil amongst various species of life. Purusha means enjoyer, living entity. Oh, आई हरे कृष्ण भाई हरे कृष्ण आपको चेयर देगा ना ऐसी बढ़ जाए नहीं आपको बैठने की तकलीफ नहीं so that day I have already explained Purusha means the enjoyer and Prakriti means enjoyer. So Purusha Prakriti Stho, the living entity, although chalo Prakriti Stho means this material world. The living entity, although part and parcel of God, spiritual entity, but he has come to this material world to enjoy. Anyone who is in this material world, his original cause of coming down from the spiritual platform to this material platform means he wanted to enjoy. In the spiritual world, the only enjoyer is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. All others are enjoyers. But here in this material world, everyone is trying to become the Supreme and others to be enjoyed. Everyone is trying to become God. And the last layer of Maya is that one is claiming that I am God. When he tries to become big businessman, big zamindar, big minister, big president, or in the society, big rich man, big others. And when he fails to become all kinds of bigs, he wants to become one with God. And by merging into God, he'll be the biggest. That is the philosophy. So, basic principle is how to become big. Otherwise, because unless I become very big, I cannot enjoy. So, what is the field of this enjoying activities? This body that we have discussed. Uh, Ketra Ketragya, Idam Sarirang Ketram Nitya Vidiyat. This body is the field of activities. The Purusha, the living entities, uh, has been entrapped by this material energy. That is called Purusha Prakristho. He is not required to stay in this material world, but he has uh, uh, decided to enjoy this material world. Therefore, he is here. But he can give up. That is called liberty. That is called salvation. He can give up. Mukti. Mukti means that is also described in the Srimad Bhagavatam. Hitya annatha rupam sarupena avasthiti. That is called mukti. Mukti hitva annatha rupa. Here, every living entity is situated annatha rupam. Annatha rupam means otherwise, which is not his nature. His nature is to serve, but he is staying here not as servant, but as master. मैंने जाओ तुम वो बच्चा नहीं आया स पुरुष प्रकृतिस्थ ही भुंगते भुंगते means enjoys prakriti jana guna prakriti and he has come here to enjoy, but he is enjoying not the prakriti but prakriti jana guna, and the qualities of the prakriti. There are three qualities of the prakriti: goodness, passion, and ignorance. Uh, Prakritijan guna. These are products of material world. It is therefore described in another place. Devi Jesha Gunamayi, Momo Maya Durattaya. This illusory energy is, there are three qualities. Qualitative. Some of them, therefore, we find different types of species of life. Uh, every living entity has associated with a particular type of guna. There are three gunas, namely goodness, passion, and ignorance. And if you mix them up, then it becomes 9. 3 into 3 equal to 9. And again, if you mix up 9 into 9, then it becomes 81. Therefore, there are 8,400,000 species of life. Jalajanavalakkhani Saura Lokavinsvati. 900,000 species in the water. Similarly, birds, beasts, trees, insects, animals. There we come to the human form of life. These different types of bodies are meant for enjoying in a different spirit. Everyone is trying to enjoy. But he is enjoying, he is not enjoying the prakriti, but he is enjoying the association of the good. Purusha prakriti so he bhumte prakriti jana guna. Karanang guna sambhas. So every living entity is suffering or enjoying. There is no enjoyment, everyone is suffering. But that is called Maya. He is suffering, but he takes it as enjoying. In the hoof, the pig, he is eating stew, but he is thinking that he is enjoying. Uh, he is enjoying. He enjoys a certain type of food according to his quality. Nowadays, because people are becoming more and more in the molds of darkness, they are eating so many abominable things. And Prakriti also, I will say, minimizing the supply of sattvic food. Just like nowadays it has become scarcity of grains, of milk, of sugar. It is practical experience because people are becoming more and more in the modes of ignorance. Therefore, these foodstuffs are in the modes of goodness. Just like Krishna wants, patram pushpam phalam tuyam jhumi bhaktya prajichet. Krishna does not say, give me meat and drinking wine. Krishna can eat everything. He is omnipotent. But he does not say that you give me anything and everything. No. He specifically mentions patram pushpam phalam tuyam jhumi bhaktya prajichet. These things have the foodstuff in goodness. Uh, Rice, dal, uh, wheat, that means grains. Uh, then sugar, fruits, vegetables, milk products, these foods are in the goodness. Similarly, there are foods very chilly, very hot. Uh, these are in the passion. And similarly, in ignorance also, there are many food, stale food, meat. These are in the ignorance. So our business is this human form of life to get out of this cycle of birth and death and wandering in different species of life. This is the mission of human life. Human life, advanced consciousness. It is meant for getting out of this cycle of birth and death and wandering in different species of life. Therefore, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, এই রূপে ব্রহ্মাণ্ড ভ্রমিতে কোনো ভাগ্যবান জীব গুরু কৃষ্ণ কৃপায় পায় গক্তিলতা বীজ. In this way, the living entities, Purusha, Prakristha, within this material world, he is wandering in different species of life, in different planets. But the disease is birth or death. Even if you take birth in the Brahmalok, Krishna says, even if you promoted to the Brahmalok, the highest planet, there is also death. You cannot avoid. Janma Mrityu Jarabhyadi Dukkha Doshanudarsanam. That is real knowledge. That I don't want to die, but I am forced to die. I don't want to become old man, but I am forced to become old man. I don't want any disease, but disease is forced upon it. So these are the real problem. So Krishna says that Abrahma, you may get any long duration of life, very comfortable life in higher planetary system. Just like people are engaged in doing pious activities. The result of pious activities is that you get your birth in a very good family, in a rich family, you get beauty, you become educated. Janmai Sadhya Sutta Srivi. Janma means birth, high class birth. And Oishadya means opulence, riches. And Sruta means education. And Sri means beauty. So by pious activities, you can get all these things. And impious activities, the opposite number. So a family, abominable, papajun, lower grade family, not very beautiful, not educated, suffering in so many ways. So either you get this life or that life. The Janma Mrityu Jarabhyadi is there. It is not that because you have got very beautiful body and born in very high class family and highly educated, you'll avoid Janma Mrityu Jarabhyadi. That is not possible. The real problem is Janma Mrityu Jarabhyadi. The Karanam Gunasangayasya Sadasajani, high class life, and Asadjani, Papajani. So, why one is born in lower grade family, why one is born in high grade family? Karanam gunasamnasya. The cause is as he has associated with different types of qualities. So, unfortunately, this science that there is birth after death and there is actually we are experiencing, we are seeing, but they do not inquire. They think that one can improve. Uh, that is not possible. Unless he changes the quality, uh, he cannot improve. That is not possible. They do not know it. They are falsely trying to improve the position. Nobody is trying to become poor. Everyone is trying to become rich. But it is not possible because he has got a particular type of body. Uh, and that body is already destined. And he has to achieve happiness or suffer distresses according to the body. Therefore, Shastra says, Tasaiva heto prajate the kovida, nanabhate jad pramatamo vargit. He should try for that thing which you did not receive in your past life. Uh, Past life, by our past activities or in past activities, we have got a different type of body here or in higher planetary system. That's all right. But that is not solution of my problem. The real problem is Janma Mrityu Jara Vyadhi. So we should save time and utilize it how to get out of this Janma Mrityu Jara Vyadhi. That is the whole Vedic civilization. Therefore, it is said, Tasyaiva heta prajatit kovida. If you are intelligent, then you should try, you should engage your life how to get out of this cycle of birth and death. Uh, uh, Tapo dibbam putraka jena suddhita satta. We have to purify our existence so that we can revive our original position of eternal life, blissful life, uh, full of knowledge. That is our requirement. The modern civilization, they have no such information. Everyone is trying to improve its condition according to the quality, but that is not improvement. Real improvement is how to get out of this cycle of birth and death. That is real improvement. Janma Mrityu Jara Vyadhi, Dukkha Dosa Anada. Thank you very much.